Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by choosing a language and framework that fits your team and latency needs. Pick Node, Python, or Go and scaffold a project. Create a concise open API spec for the first endpoints so you have a contract to implement. Initialize version control, add a README, and implement a single health check route to prove the server runs. Once done, run the app locally and confirm the endpoint returns 200. This proves your pipeline and gives a solid starting point. Now implement the core logic by mapping each open API endpoint to a controller and service layer so responsibilities are clear. Add strict input validation and consistent error responses to avoid ambiguous client behavior. Design the database schema and add migration scripts. Implement basic CRUD with transactions where needed. Integrate authentication, for example JWT or API keys, and rate limiting to protect resources. Make sure to write unit and integrate. Finish by containerizing the app and adding a CI/CD pipeline to build, test, and deploy automatically. Choose a host like Kubernetes, serverless, or managed containers based on traffic patterns. Instrument logging and metrics, add health probes, and set alerts for error spikes so you notice problems quickly. Configure versioned releases and documentation for clients. If things go wrong, reproduce the issue locally, inspect structured logs and traces, then roll back or apply a hotfix behind a feature flag. This minimizes downtime and data risk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.